Our tool makes it easy for you to create an ads campaign in just a few steps. In this video, we are going to show you how to create a campaign and also show how to check the status of your campaign once it's created. First, go to the Advertise page. At the top, you'll see Ad Platforms to create a new ad. On the bottom, you'll see Recent Ads, which is any ads that you have already created. You can just click the platform that you want to create an ad for. We'll select Facebook for this example. After you have connected your ad platform, you can select a traffic campaign to send people to your site, a lead campaign where you can build an instanced form to collect leads, or a conversions campaign where you can encourage people to buy something on your site. Next, just add your website or landing page. This is where you want people to go after they click on your ad. Our tool will automatically generate content based on your website to give you better ad performance. It will generate your ad copy with AI. It will recommend your targeting, and it will even add images or videos to your ad. Now that it has finished creating your ad, we can review it and make any updates we need. You can use remarketing or even create lookalike audiences right within the tool. You can select the recommended interests or choose not to have any at all, and our tool will optimize the ads for you to find your audience. It will also recommend location targeting for you based on your location. Then we are at the content step, which is where you will see AI-generated headlines and descriptions for you. Now, you could review them to make sure that you like them. You could also toggle to custom content and create your own. You can upload images or videos or select them from your Facebook or Instagram page and also from your ads account. We also offer a Shutterstock integration for you to find any images or videos that you want. And you can also import ad creative from your Creative Hub library. Now, on the final step, just add your budget. It can be as low as $2 USD a day, but for this we will add $25 for the day. You are also going to see forecasted results on the right side. If you click on See More Variations, you will get an idea of what your ads will look like. Our ad tool will rotate all of these combinations to find the best performing ones, taking care of the optimizations for you. Now let's go ahead and click Create. And once you click Confirm, your ads will be created. You can always check the status of it by clicking on your Advertise page. This is where you'll see all of the campaigns that you've created. If you click on that campaign, you will see the insights and how it's performing. You can also edit parts of your ad down below. It can take up to 24 hours for your ads to be active. Launch your first ad today.